Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you what is the best way to sell your house or sell a house and buy another very quickly so you can make the most amount of money, the most amount of your investment. My name is Wholesale and I specialize in helping everyday people get in the real estate game and get their first investment deal all the way up to 5, 10, 15 investment deals all from home. Now, let's say you have a property already, whether it's your primary home or an investment home. You might live in this house, you might have this house as a rental in another market or in your market. Maybe it was handed down to you. Maybe you bought it a long time ago. Maybe you bought it with a partner and you're like, now you guys are thinking, okay, the market's hot, things are good. How do we sell this house and buy another really quickly and not mess up and not lose money and not get rid of our, not kind of go into a negative spiral of like, okay, we did a good deal, now we're not going to do good deals anymore. So I'm going to share with you how I would think about it and how I would do it if I were you, so that you can follow the same steps. We're going to break it down to 3 simple things that you have to do, okay? Number 1, determine where and what the next house you're going to buy is. Where, when, what. Determine what's going to be your next plan with the house, okay? So if you have this house that you're selling, maybe it's an investment property, you're like, okay, I'm done with this investment property, it doesn't make me much money, or I want to buy something bigger, I want to buy a duplex, I have a single family, I want to buy a duplex, I want to buy a fourplex, something like that. The first step is to come up with what you want to do next and get that shit super clear. Write it down on a paper. What do you want to do next? Okay, I want to sell my single family to buy a duplex. Why? Well, I want to make more cash flow. Why? Because I want to make more money. Awesome. What are you going to do with that money? Where do you want to buy this duplex? What have you been thinking? Those types of things. So it's really important before you take the leap, before you put your property for sale or start taking offers or start the process of selling it, already come up with a preliminary plan to your next step, your next investment step. And if you have a single family home and you want more cash flow, I would recommend looking into duplex, triplex, and fourplex. I actually think that market is extremely underserved and there's tons of potential there because it's not a game that a lot of the big players want to get. The people who buy 50, 100 unit buildings don't touch that. And also a lot of homeowners just buy single families. So those 2 to 4 units is actually like a cool little sweet spot that not a lot of people are tackling big time. So step number 2, what I would do is talk to a professional, talk to a realtor, talk to an investor, talk to, go to your real estate investing club, right? So let's say you want to buy another property in your same area. I'd find an investor in your area or an investor, realtor in your area, broker, someone that knows what they're doing, and talk to them and say, hey, this is my plan, step 1. This is what I'm determining. Is this possible? Is this realistic? Can I find a duplex here for 200 grand? Can I find a duplex for 250 and rent it each side for 1,200 a month, right? So ask them all the things that you're thinking and see if it's realistic. You could also ask them, hey, can I sell this property? Can I sell my property for 180? Whatever it is, ask, and you shall receive, okay? The worst thing you could do is sell your house with no plan and with no feedback from somebody who's in the game actually doing business, because then you're stuck in a crappy situation. You sell your property, you sell your investment house, you sell your primary house, your next house doesn't go through as planned, and you're just not happy, okay? So we don't want that for you. And step 3, what I would do is once you have step 1 and 2 done, right? Once you get your plan and once you have your feedback, go full force, execute. Okay, I know you're like, bro, that's retarded. I get it. We have to do it. But don't back out. If you got the plan that you want, and you're like, okay, I want to sell a single family home, to buy a bigger one, or to buy a triplex, to make more rental income, and do that. Okay, I'm gonna talk to an agent or investor in my area. Is this possible? Is this possible? If they give you the green light, don't think about it anymore. Put the house on the market, sell it however you want to sell it, list it on Zillow, list it on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, talk to buyers, get it done, start looking for houses. Once you get your house under contract, start looking for houses. So So once you put your house for sale and you get a good offer, you sign it. Boom, don't wait. Boom, start looking for houses, start looking for duplexes, whatever you want to do. Because this market's hot. And if you don't jump on it, it's gonna be gone, okay? You guys probably know that if you're watching this video, you do real estate or you're interested in real estate, it's no secret that all these things are selling like hotcakes. But there's plenty of really good deals out there. There's really good financing out there. Do not wait to get in the game. Oh, I want to wait till the market goes down. Bullshit, man. Oh, I want to wait till the foreclosures come out. Oh yeah, keep waiting, bro. So, I hope you guys like my little voice here. The last little ninja trick I would say is make sure you check your financing. If you're using conventional or FHA financing, make sure you get approved by a mortgage broker first. Make sure you consult it with your mortgage broker, your realtor, your investor buddies, and that you're making a good decision, right? If you're gonna sell your house and buy a new one, make sure that you got it all planned out, got it mapped out. Don't go into it blind and try to go it that way. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this and you got value, please share it with a buddy, a friend. Maybe if you know somebody who's looking to sell their house and they're kind of lost, send them this video if you feel it'll help them. And like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps, and I appreciate it greatly. And that helps me make more content for you, better content, better production. I'll get interviews, make longer videos, shorter videos, whatever you guys want to see, I will do if you put in the comments. And if you want more information from me or interested in possibly working with me, I'm getting another 2 to 5 people that I can work on a one-on-one basis. It's not gonna be open forever, but you can check it out on robelufa.com/coaching. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.